Hey everyone, and welcome back. Running a small business or freelance operation and need to organize everything in ClickUp. In this video, I'll show you the perfect hierarchy to structure your entire workflow on the free plan. Think of it like building a house. At the top, you have your workspace. This is your company name or your own name. Inside, create spaces for your major areas of work. For a freelancer, that could be client projects, admin and finances, and marketing. Inside each space, create folders to group related work. In your client project space, make a folder for each client. Inside each folder, create lists for the actual work streams. In a client folder, you might have a to-do list, an in-progress list, and a completed list. Finally, your tasks live inside those lists. Break projects down into individual action items. Use this structure: workspace, spaces, folders, lists, tasks. It keeps everything scalable and organized. For views, use board view inside a list to see your tasks as a Kanban board, and list view for simple checklists. And that's it. You've just built a professional project management system that can grow with your business, all for free. If you structure your business this way, let me know what your top-level spaces are in the comments. See you in the next one.